Ooh, doing cool stuff yet again. Another golf simulator, and this one, kind of owning these jobs. I know, we buy these sims, they're cool, they do stuff, but not 100% Restrepo cool. So, this site is like all the other sites, we gotta make them Restrepo cool. So what are we doing? You see this? We have a lighting, right there, lighting dimmer. Again, why we love Crestron. This lighting dimmer, we're gonna have golf on, golf off. We integrated the Epson projector into the system. And what you're watching right here is the VMK software from Crestron getting loaded on the computer so we can turn the computer on and off. We'll also have Wake on LAN, which will also help out turning on the computer. And like always, when we're touching machines, got this cool little tool, Bellark Advisor. Run a full inventory of the machine, try to understand what's inside of it, what's going on, you know, because it's got to be right. So now this site will work off of this cool button. How many of you can do that? How cool is that, right? Really owning the site, owning the project, making sure we get to that outcome that really wows this customer, because that's what we really want to be. So, more cool stuff. Catch you at the next one.